For this install, you will need to remove the strut brace running across the engine. This is held in place by two 10mm nuts. Once the nuts have been removed, the strut brace will simply lift off. You can now remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. We can now access the rail pressure sensor. And the boost sensor. Remove the rail connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Start the engine and ensure the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. Replace the strut brace and nuts. If you have any questions, please contact us.